Hello and welcome to my channel. I am Mensa Augustine. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel. And if you have been watching my videos and if not yet subscribed, please kindly subscribe for us to build the mathematics community. In this lesson, we'll be looking at this question, and it is a parametric equation. If x equal to 1 divided by 1 plus t squared and y equal to t divided by 1 plus t squared, show that dy on the x equal to t squared minus 1 divided by 2t, and find the equation of the tangent at t equal to 2. Thanks to Ali Muhammad from the University of Legon, Ghana, for sending me this question. If you have any question that you want me to help, send it to my WhatsApp number, +233 245 360 and it is also my mobile money accounts number, so you can donate into my accounts to support the channel. Now let's go back to business. We have to find the derivative of x with respect to t and then the derivative of y with respect to t. So here the derivative of x with respect to t is equal to dx of 1 divided by 1 plus t squared. It is d dt, not d dx. Now, to differentiate this, let's use the quotient rule. This is the same as dt of 1 times 1 plus t squared minus 1 times dt of 1 plus t squared all divided by 1 plus t squared all squared. Now if you differentiate a constant, it is 0 times all this will be 0. That is why I used the quotient rule. Minus, if you differentiate a constant, it is 0. If we differentiate t squared with respect to t, you get 2t times negative 1 will give us negative 2t all divided by 1 plus t squared all squared, and this will give us negative 2t divided by 1 plus t squared all squared. You can also use the chain rule to do the differentiation by writing this one as 1 plus t squared to the power negative 1, and you multiply this by, we want to differentiate with respect to t, you multiply the original function by the power, that is negative 1 times 1 plus t squared. You subtract 1 from this to get negative 2, then you differentiate what is here to get 2t. Wow, then you see that you have negative power, so you can write as negative 2t divided by 1 plus t squared all squared. So whether you use the chain rule or you use the quotient rule, you get there. Now let's differentiate y with respect to t. The derivative of y with respect to t is equal to dt of t divided by 1 plus t squared. And we are going to use the quotient rule. You have 1 plus t squared times dt of t minus t times the derivative of 1 plus t squared with respect to t all divided by 1 plus t squared all squared. Now, here, if we differentiate t with respect to t, we get 1. Then this will give us 1 plus t squared minus t. Okay, let me wait. If I differentiate 1 with respect to t, it is 0 because the derivative of a constant is 0. If I differentiate t squared with respect to t, I'll get 2t. Then this t will give me minus 2t squared all divided by 1 plus t squared all squared as derivative of y with respect to t. Now this will give me 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared all squared. That is 1 minus 2t squared is t squared. Very simple like that. So we check here very carefully. We differentiate 1 with respect to t, you get 0. We differentiate t squared with respect to t, you get 2t. Then this t will give you 2t squared. Now, let's finish this part of the code. Okay, so here the derivative of y with respect to x is equal to dy on dx divided by, dy on dt divided by dx on dt, and that is dy on dt times dt on dx equal to dy on dx for us to get the chain rule. Now, so what do we do? This is the same as dy on dt is 1 minus t squared divided by 1 plus t squared all squared. Times dt on dx. This is our dx on dt. So if you want dt on dx, you turn this one upside down. So dt will come to top, the x will come down. Minus dt will come down, and 1 plus t squared all squared will also go to top. So times 1 plus t squared all squared divided by minus 2t. And yet this one will cancel this. Wow. So you'll be left with 1 minus t squared divided by negative 2t. And here I'm going to factorize negative out at the numerator side. So I have negative into bracket 1 plus t squared, all divided by negative 2t. Now check this one out. Negative times negative will give us positive. Negative times positive will give us negative. So that you get what they want here. If we don't understand it this way, let's do it this way. We have negative here, so let's send negative to the numerator. We have negative into bracket 1 minus t squared, all divided by 2t. So your negative times 1 give me negative 1. Negative times negative give me positive t squared, all divided by 2t. And if we rearrange, we will get t squared minus 1 divided by 2t to be equal to dy on x. And that is to be shown. Wow. Now, let's find the equation of the tangent to the parametric curve. Now, at t equal to 2, let's look at the gradient. Dy on dx, that's the gradient of the tangent, is equal to t is 2, so we have 2 squared minus 2 divided by 2 times 2, and that will give us 4 minus 2 divided by 2, and that is 2 divided by 2, which is equal to 1. Wow, very, very simple. Oh, sorry. This space is 1, 1. So we are going to get 3 divided by 2, rather. 3 divided by 4. Why am I rushing to? I'm tired. 2 squared is 4. 2 times 2 is 4. So 4 minus 1 is 3 divided by 4. Now, this is the gradient. Now, what are the values of x and y at t equal to 2? At t equal to 2, we have x to be equal to 1 divided by 1 plus 2 squared, and that will give us 1 divided by 5. Y will be equal to 2 divided by 1 plus 2 squared, and that will give us 2 divided by 5. Now, we are writing the equation of the tangent as y minus y1 equal to the gradient of the tangent times x minus x1. So we have y minus 2 on 5 is equal to 3 on 4 times x minus 1 on 5. Correct. I hope you are enjoying the lesson. Like, for us to build a community, just hit the like button, that's all. and also subscribe. Leave your comments, whether good or bad, just leave it there. Now, we have this one there. If we leave any comment, it helps me to build the community. It helps me to do better videos. If you also give a good comment, it encourages me more. Okay, so here we have the LCM to be 20. So we multiply y by 20, you get 20y. Multiply this by 20, we have minus 8. Multiply this by 20, we are going to have 15. And this one, you simplify it to become 5x minus 1 divided by 5. Very simple as that. Multiply this by 20, you get 20. Multiply 2 on 5 by 20, you get 4 times 2, that is 8. Multiply 3 on 4 by 20, you get 3 times 5, that is 15. We are going to have 20y minus 8 equal to 3 into bracket 5x minus 1. That is 5 will go into 15, 3. This will give us 20y minus 8 equal to 15x minus 3. And that will give us 20y minus 15x minus 5 equal to 0. And we can divide 2 by 5. The word is, let's start here. From this part, we have 20y minus 8 equal to 15x minus 3. So we have 20y minus 15x minus 8 plus 3 equal to 0. 20y minus 15x minus 5 is equal to 0. If we divide 2 by 5, we will get 4y minus 3x minus 1 equal to 0. Wow! As the equation of the tangent. Divide by 20, we get 4. Divide by 5, we get 4. Divide by 5, we get 3. Divide by 5, we get 1. Thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, share, and leave your comment for us to build the mathematics community. Bye bye.